Hello, welcome back, and this is part 3 where we're going to go ahead and export the textures for our table. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to File, Export Textures, and we've got our texture sets here under our global settings, and we also have our output directory. Now you need to kind of figure out where you want to put your textures, so I would highly recommend placing them in your source images folder. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Go to your flash drive or hard drive, find the object, here we go, table chairs, and then double click on source images, and we'll go ahead and place them in there. It's easy enough to find, and that's where most of your texture should be anyway. So let's go ahead and click on select folder. So we told it where we want it to save the data and the textures. So output template PBR metallic roughness. Normally that's what we would use. I'm going to look at the other options we have here. We have Arnold Udom Legacy AI Standard, and we have PBR metallic roughness. I'm going to go ahead and use, since I'm going to render in Arnold, I'm going to go ahead and use that Arnold Udom Legacy AI Standard. So I'm going to click on that. We want PNG, and under padding, I'm going to go ahead and go to no padding pass-through. Under output templates, we're going to use Arnold AI Standard or Arnold Udom Legacy Standard. Okay. And click on list of exports. That tells us how many textures are going to be exported out. Okay. All right. So that is basically it. I'm going to go ahead and go into settings again, and we're all finished. All we have to do is click on export, and it should export all the textures out for us. Now there are some things, if I go into output templates, that we may need or may not need. You can see we've got the base color, the metalness, the roughness, the normal, the height, and the emissive. Now we don't need the emissive, so that's just, we'll never use it, so we're going to click that off, turn that off. Alright, so let's go ahead, and you don't want to export any more than we have to. So settings, and then click export. And it will go through the process of exporting everything out. And it looks like it went through it all. Bitmap's right finalization is writing it out to my hard drive right now. It may take a while because these files are a lot larger, and my flash drive is not my SSD drive, so it might take a little bit of time. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video, and we'll come back when it's all done. Okay, it looks like it finished the exporting, and we'll go ahead and in the next video we're going to texture the chair and export those maps out, and then we'll get to getting in Maya and rendering the scenes out. Alright, I'll see you then.